Sholeh Zard is one of the most delicious desserts that is really easy to make. You just need to pay attention to a few key points. Stay with me so we can make an incredibly tasty and perfect Sholeh Zard together. For the first step, add 1 cup of Iranian rice that you've soaked in water for a few hours to a suitable pot. Along with 8 cups of water, I'm using a French-handled glass as my measuring cup. Pay close attention to this. Whatever cup you use for measuring, you need to use the same one throughout the whole process. To measure properly, put the lid on the pot and start with relatively high heat so the water comes to a boil faster. Once it reaches a boil, be sure to lower the heat and let the rice cook slowly over low heat. Meanwhile, soak 3 tablespoons of slivered almonds in rose water. After half an hour, when your rice has cooked and opened up on low heat, add the slivered almonds soaked in rose water, along with half a teaspoon of ground cardamom and as much brewed concentrated saffron as needed. Stir everything together until well mixed. Close the lid of the pot again and let it cook for another quarter of an hour on low heat. After a quarter of an hour, using the same cup you used to soak the rice, add 1.5 cups of sugar. Add 10 grams of butter and gently stir until everything is combined. Close the lid of the pot again, and after adding the sugar, stir every 5 minutes so it doesn't stick to the bottom. After the mentioned time, add a quarter cup of rose water and stir. After carefully adding the rose water, promptly turn off the heat. If you want your Sholeh Zard to not release any water, gently place a steam cloth on the pot and then close the lid completely. And let it sit with the heat off. This is very important for 45 minutes in this state so that all the excess water in the Sholeh Zard is completely absorbed. With this method, your Sholeh Zard won't release even a drop of water. After 45 minutes, pour it into your serving dish and decorate it with anything you like. Once it sets, you'll have the best Sholeh Zard. I hope you make it and enjoy. Dear Moshe, thank you for staying with me until the end of the video.